average guy at the time of Christ was 4'9" to 5'5". I'm taller than Jesus. I said I'm much taller than Jesus. He was long on love, but short of limb. My t-shirt fits like a dress on him. He could heal the sick and save your soul, but he couldn't dunk a basketball. I'm taller than Jesus. I said I'm much taller than Jesus. Jesus walked on water, turned water into wine. But if you need to change that light bulb, call me, I'm divine. I was hanging with Christ, just guy to guy. He was sitting on a phone book, we were eye to thigh. He said, hey Phil, what's it like up high? I said, hey Zeus, you want a piggyback ride? The Beatles claim they were bigger than you. Well, I've got the height on the Beatles too. If genes determine the size of your butt, then my dad must be taller than God. And I'm taller than Jesus. I said I'm taller than Jesus. I said I'm taller than Jesus. I said I'm much taller than Jesus.
So won't you make a pact with me? Hey, Dark Lord, howdy-do. I'm here to apply to be part of your crew. I tried being a righteous, upstanding dude, and all I've ever gotten was deeply screwed.